Kimberly Jones. I am a certified nutritionist and personal trainer, and I run Nutrition with Kimberly. I'm not much of a class person, to be honest with you, and I couldn't really find something that fit in boxing and a lot of one-on-one. So when I reached out to BoxFit, Jesse wrote back right away, and I went in because they have a million class options that you can go to at all different times, which is super helpful. And the classes are usually generally pretty small, and which allows for a lot of one-on-one, which is really awesome. And now I just try and go to as many as I can, mostly because I just love how I feel after the workout. Run Nutrition with Kimberly. Which is basically just a home-based business that is really customizable to all of my clients' nutrition goals and needs. So I range from anywhere from like sports nutrition to clinical nutrition to postpartum, prenatal moms, to children. Basically just helping my clients reach their nutrition goals through healthy eating and physical activity. So I run the business completely off of my phone, which is great these days. I'm ready to answer any question I need. Or if one of my clients needs to make a decision in the store or when they're out to dinner, you can reach me on my cell phone, which is always on me, 401-207-1095.